Hello and welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. So today's video is going to be a little bit smaller, not like a full tutorial or anything. It's just a quick little update on a couple trades that I'm holding right now. I wanted to show you guys how I kind of called these, what I'm thinking for exits, and some stuff like that. So yeah, let's hop right into this. Here's my screen here as usual. Huge shout out to the cryptocurrency markets because we are up to 40 billion almost in total combined market capitalization. We've had $1,213,004,438 in 24-hour volume, and that's really impressive. So I'm very excited about this. All the markets are looking really good, and I still think Bitcoin's ready for that second push. We'll see though. But yeah, here's a couple margin positions that I have open right now. I have a long on clam due to an entry based on a cup and handle formation. I have a long on Litecoin that I opened last night based on an entry due to a triangle formation after price rejections at 0.009830. And I'm up 0.255 Bitcoin on this trade. So, you know, about $300 on this one. It's not too bad. It's a pretty risky trade. I have more of my account balance than I normally would, but I knew exactly what this coin was doing, and so I adjusted my risk for this plan, and by risk I mean how much I'm willing to invest on a trade of my total account balance. So I adjusted a little bit for this plan, a little bit more of an aggressive trade here. But yeah, I'm holding it. I'm probably expecting a pullback to this 0.0129 and then a secondary push, and then I will be closing my positions around 40 to 50%. I'm already up 30 plus, so that's pretty good. And I'm already up $300 in Bitcoin, so that's pretty good too. But my trading plan is based on a secondary push, and so I'm looking for that secondary push to happen. See how this push happens, then we had a pullback, and then that secondary push. That's what I'm looking for here, is this secondary push in Litecoin to occur. And I definitely think it's going to happen. It looks like it needs to break high. So I'm just going to hold this position based on my trading plan, which is shooting for 40% at least. So yeah, I definitely think that we'll see. I'm just going to close at rejections at like 117, but I definitely think this is going to go up to 0.02. So, but because I'm sticking to my trading plan, I will be exiting long before 0.02 to secure my profits. So yeah, this is a pretty good little trade that I have going on. But you can't count your ducks before you can't count your chickens before they hatch, or however you want to look at it. Basically, although I'm in profit right now, this this trade could go completely the opposite direction. And sorry about that, my friend's trolling me. So this trade could go completely the opposite direction from here, and I could get stopped out. I'm only willing to risk to 0.009787, and so if it does get reversed and go below that, I could get stopped out. But right now it's looking good, and right now I don't think that I'm going to get stopped out. But because I have a plan, I will stick to it. So if it turns around and goes and I get stopped out, it's the name of the game. Losers can teach you much more than winners if you let them, is basically what I'm saying. Because winners usually happen when you have a solid plan, and if you're just sticking to that plan, you could keep having those winners. But if you have a loser, then you either didn't follow your plan or you need to fix your plan. And so it actually tells you more information because there's something wrong, right? So don't be afraid to lose. Don't be afraid to take losses. I'm not afraid to lose on this trade if it happens, But right now it's looking really good. I think that we might have a small rejection here, and then it's ready to pump high. So yeah, that's my Litecoin trade. A little update on my trading right now. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I will be getting my the new camera tomorrow, and so hopefully I can increase the quality of these videos. I've bought a really nice camera, so I'm excited for that. I've got a cameraman that's going to help me, and I'm really excited to see what we can do with the video quality there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Like, comment, subscribe, join my Discord channel. My Twitter is @highaltitudeinv. If you want to email me, feel free to do so, highaltitudeinvesting@gmail.com. Tweet at me, ask me any questions in the comments below, and yeah, thanks for all the support and everything, and as always, stay profitable.